Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. My name is Manny, aka Frisky Hug. I go to a lot of raves, a lot of festivals, and I love to vlog about them. Yo, check out this view though. We are in Miami right now. We're going to Art With Me Music Festival. It's over at Virginia Key Beach. Well, it's at the park at the beach area. It's very like Tulum themed, very like yoga retreat style stuff. So like I have just very like loose clothing and very comfortable stuff just to like wear. I'm not wearing like any like branded stuff. I'm just wearing very thin, very comfortable, like very earthy colored type stuff. I haven't been to something like this before, I think in my like 10 years of raving, so this is gonna be like a brand new experience. I'm here with my best friend Jake. He got us a little hotel like pretty close to the venue. I think we're like 5 to 10 minutes away from the venue. And then my roommate Eric and his girlfriend are gonna be meeting us at the festival, and then we're all just gonna go back to the hotel afterwards. I think the thing starts pretty early. I think like the first activity is like at 1, I think. I'm not really sure. I don't know how far this goes to. I think it's midnight for sure. I'm not really like the expert at this, and I mean, I'm hoping to learn from this experience, and then if you guys ever attend something like this, maybe you guys could take something out of this vlog. But okay, enjoy the vlog. Not Jake getting us some pina coladas. Good way to start the day. Let's go. Hey bro, why are you looking so mad cute?
I don't know, I was born this way.
Oh. Alright, so we just got at our hotel. We're just waiting for the Uber. Eric's already at the event, so he's just gonna take us back. So it doesn't make sense.
Eric move.
Yeah, it's such an Eric thing to do. So we decided we're just gonna Uber. I left a couple things in the car. I was originally gonna take like a wagon, like a tripod and a flag, but honestly, like just taking a backpack. Gonna be minimalist today. I don't know. I'm not really trying to lug a whole wagon around. So
Me either. I would hate to do that.
okay. We just got off the Uber. They were supposed to have like a sign that says like drop-off zone, but maybe it was over there.
I didn't see one.
I didn't see one. And at this point, I wasn't about to pay the Uber extra monies.
Couldn't be me.
It couldn't be me either. We're gonna walk to Will Call. Hopefully it's not too far. I don't think it is. It seems kind of small still. I seem a lot bigger on the map.
Hey.
Alright, so we got through credentials, all that stuff. We're finally inside. We're about to head over to the meetup area. I still don't really know where it's at, but we're gonna figure it out. So we got Felicia here.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
I'm the festival bro. I'm like the festy bestie with the testy.
I'm just side duck. Check those out real quick.
You guys taking any good pictures yet?
Yes, we have. Yes.
Not us looking mad cute as fuck and taking some fucking bomb ass pictures. Jay, come over here. You looking mad cute today, bro?
Me?
Yeah, you're looking mad cute today. Yeah.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're done with the meetup, taking pictures and stuff. We took some pretty dope pictures, made a little like couple clips for a couple reels. Still hanging out with. That is the beach stage, the Key Beach stage. Yep. Okay, so we are just sitting in the VIP section area. I did go to the artist lounge just to get a couple drinks, came back, and we've just been sitting here ever since Elder Brooks. How was Elder Brooks? Tell us.
Elder Brooks was the most amazing performance I've ever seen, personally.
Eric, tell us about Elder Brooks.
Elder Brooks is a good dude.
What about you? Have you met him? Probably not. Loser. Alright, so we just got done watching the performance. The video footage is there, super cool. We were actually there for the entire time, but the first time we only got to see like a minute. Now we got to see the whole 10 minutes of it.
It's awesome.
Bunch of artworks. We saw Elder Brooks. We saw another artist I haven't heard of before, but super cool. I was backstage because of a few drinks, but we hung out mostly in the VIP section. Jerry, you having a good time? Okay, he's having a great time, and these guys,
It's good, man. It's a.
What about you? Weed.
So look, Brittany, they're tying people up.
Not how cool you are or literally anything, or how it doesn't matter. Just being here and feeling the sensation. And the other thing that I was telling her is that while I'm unraveling the rope, for her to imagine that I'm unraveling shame. That I'm literally unwinding any remaining fear that's in her.
This is the Kukulkan. Whoa. Eric, where are you going, bro?
Home.
Alright, so we're getting ready for Art With Me Day 2. This is what Jake looks like. I'll do the, okay, alright. I'm gonna give Jake the camera. Jake.
Oh, what do you look like today?
I have no idea. I'm going for like a very artistic Buddha.
Buddha!
Just kidding.
It's time to meditate.
Alright, that's what we're wearing. We're gonna head over to day 2. I don't know, I guess we're gonna call the Uber, head out. And then I think we're gonna go to an after party or something. Okay.
Might as well.
So we're trying to get our Uber right now. Internet wasn't working inside, so like let's just step outside. Humidity is killing me. My pain's gonna go down. Look. All right, Virginia Key Beach Park. See you soon. So we're here. We arrived. We were doing the rideshare thing, but I didn't see a sign for rideshare, so we ended up just having him drop us off where the park.
Oh, yesterday though. I don't know where it went today.
Someone stole the rideshare sign. Anyways, we just had him drop us off in the parking lot. Wow, everything seems so different at night. Oh, you're gonna break my camera on purpose, bro.
Did I just run over
grabbed a couple drinks, me and my best friend. We're heading to that like sex talk thing that they got going on. So we're gonna leave this beautiful sanctuary artist lounge and let's go. Let's go talk dirty.
So bringing it, is it wet? Is it moist? Is it lubricated? So I'd like you to really go through your life with this mindfulness around your senses, guys, because that's our superpower.
So, thank you everyone. We're getting to the, every time we're getting more sensual and sensual, so this is just a start.
Be free, 'cause we wanna be free. We wanna be free. So much. Yes. Yes.
I'm going to give the mic over to our guru, who's going to bless us with his shamanic tonic, cacao, magic, activation. I've known this brother for over 10 years, and it's such a pleasure to realign in this beautiful way. Love you, brother. So we have a few more candles that we can get over to that lonely hand there. We have one lonely hand.
On the stage here. Invite us all to bring the cacao for a moment up above the head, just